The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Richard to near Maxie to near Egan, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crowley, Eunice, Rayne, Church Point, Iota, Sunset, Cankton, Mowata, Maxie, Mire, Savoy, Egan, Lawtell, Swords, Branch, Richard, Thurwood and Midland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile marker 73 and 90. Interstate 49 near mile marker 13. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central, Central and Southwestern Louisiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central, Central and Southwestern Louisiana.